What do you think about our neighborhood?
This is a nice neighborhood.
The streets are quiet and clean.
The neighbors don't party on the weekends.
And people take care of their lawns.
No rusty old cars are sitting in the front yards.
We never have to call the police about anything.
Our kids are completely safe.
So why are we selling our house?
They're building a 6-story apartment building on the corner.
So we've got to sell before property values go down?
Yes. I still can't believe our city council allowed this building.
I can't believe it either.
Hello. My name is George, and I'm calling about the flat rental you have advertised on the internet. Is it still available?
Hi, George. My name is Harry, and I am the owner. Yes, the apartment is still available.
Oh great. Is it a newer building or an older one?
It is located in an apartment complex and the building is about 7 years old, so it's quite modern.
That sounds lovely. How far away is it from downtown New York?
Well, it is about a 40-minute drive from the city center.
Excellent. What about the price? I didn't see one listed in the advertisement.
It is $1,500 a month not including utilities.
Okay. That's in my price range, so I'm very interested in looking at it.
Great. I'd be happy to show you the flat. I'm sure you will love it. Would you be able to come and see it on Friday?
Absolutely. I could come right after work. Is 5:30 okay with you?
Okay. That's fine. Do you need me to give you the address?
No, thanks. I see it here in the advertisement.
Okay. I will see you on Friday, George.
Sure. See you later. I hate looking for an apartment.
Yes, me too.
We have a 9 o'clock appointment to see the one on 9th Street in the East Village, Manhattan.
We'd better get ready to go.
It's an upstairs unit.
That's good, because I don't want to live under people with loud feet.
And it's a corner unit.
Wonderful. We won't have neighbors on both sides of us.
No pets are allowed.
Perfect. We don't have to listen to barking dogs.
And there are only 8 units in the whole building.
Where's the checkbook? I'm ready to rent it without even seeing it.
Good morning. Are you George?
Hi. Yes, I am George. I'm here to see your apartment for rent.
Yes. Please come in.
Thanks.
Please follow me, and I'll give you a tour.
Yes. Thank you.
This is the kitchen, and as you can see, it has tile flooring and new cabinets.
Great. It's beautiful.
Thanks.
What about the laundry room?
Right. I almost forgot. It has a large closet, so you can hang your clean clothes after washing.
Nice. How much are you asking for the apartment?
It's $1,500 a month.
Okay. Thank you for showing me your home and telling me about the price. I'll call you if I am interested.
Sure. It was my pleasure. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, see you again.
What do you think about this apartment?
We can't afford this apartment.
Are you sure?
We will be house rich, but cash poor.
What do you mean?
Oh, our monthly payments will be too high.
We won't have any money for other things.
No, we won't have money for food or gas.
We will be eating peanut butter, banana, and bacon sandwich.
Without the bacon.
That's no good.
We have to find a cheaper apartment.
Of course. We can't live without gas or bacon. That is a beautiful house.
I don't like it.
What's the matter with it?
It's on the corner.
So,
That means it gets twice as much traffic.
oh, you're right.
When you're inside, you will always hear cars stopping and stopping at the intersection.
Or you'll hear the collision if someone doesn't stop.
Or you will see the collision if they crash into the house.
Let's find a house that's at the end of a dead end.
That's perfect. The less traffic, the better.
Do you like this house?
Yes, it's beautiful.
It's perfect for us and the kids.
There is a large backyard here.
We can afford it.
So are we going to buy it?
I'm afraid not.
It's too far from your job, isn't it?
I can't spend 4 hours on the road every day.
By the time you get home, you'll be too tired to even eat.
I won't be able to play with the kids.
You're right, we have to find something closer to your job. I really like this house.
Can we afford it?
They want 15% down.
That's a lot of money.
But the house is so nice.
It's in a great neighborhood.
It's close to the beach.
It's close to the freeways.
It's got a big yard.
The kids love the house, too.
If we don't buy it, someone else will.
You're right. Let's buy it now. We can worry later. Chloe, it's chilly outside, isn't it?
It sure is.
In fact, it's chilly in the apartment, too.
Let's turn on the heat.
I will check to make sure that all the windows are shut.
It should be warmer in a few minutes.
It's so nice to have a heated apartment.
How did they survive in the old days?
They had fireplaces.
Someone had to chop the wood.
And carry it into the house.
All we have to do is flip a switch. Did you call the manager?
Yes. She said she'd come over tomorrow.
Did she say what time?
Yes. She said she'd be here at 10 o'clock.
Did she understand what the problem is?
Yes. I told her our doorbell doesn't work.
It shouldn't take her long to fix it.
I don't even know why we need to fix it.
In case we have visitors.
But they can just knock on the door.
Actually, I want her to look at our carpet, too.
Yes, it would be nice if she'd give us a new carpet.